Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad...
Hi friends, welcome back to Clean Till Dawn. Today I am bringing you some kitchen cleaning motivation. Today's video is jam-packed with all the cleaning motivation you need to get up and tackle your to-do list. If you are new here, my name is Dawn, and here on my channel you can find lots of cleaning motivational videos like this one. Also, I do some decluttering and organizing videos. If you like what you see, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click that bell so you will be notified each time I upload a new video.
But I don't wanna think about no other than us. They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, nah, nah. No drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, yeah, yeah. He's got a bad history, but what about it? Yeah, he's got a bad history, but I want him anyway. So look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation, but what about it? Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, nah, nah. No drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, yeah, yeah.
Head underwater, I'm falling back into you. I thought we'd be smarter, I got nothing left to lose. You said you fall with me, no matter how far it goes. Down deep and under, we're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it. Every time I look at you, you pull me back into your river. Swim a little deeper, I don't need to breathe with my head underwater. Not sure I really care. We're all of our demons, and they never disappear. I will forgive you if you've forgiven me. We're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something every time I look at you. You pull me back into your river, swim a little deeper. I don't need to breathe with my head underwater. Like the others, they do not need to know. You said you fall with me, no matter how deep it goes. With my head underwater.
I don't want it. Do what I like, I don't like it. My life is a mess, screaming with boredom. I don't feel nothing when I'm buzzing. Someone adds some glamorous hurt. 'Cause when I sleep alone for insomnia, they say you have to be beaten up before you're tender enough. I don't taste it, obsessing over dress when I split. Shoot me a blink, I'm dying from boredom. I even lie when I tell the truth. Honestly, what's the use? They say you have to be beaten up before you're tender enough. They say you have to bruise to feel. I must be made out of steel. No one is in charge of my steering. This I know, this I know, this I know. Hoping dreams are meant to be shared.
if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go, 'cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm sitting a little high on you. For so long, I've been thinking that we're more than just friends. Oh yeah. Oh, but maybe your heart is falling for someone else. Whoa, 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 maybe we should talk for a minute. Then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. I just wanna love you a little to see where this is going. I really need to know, babe. Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go, 'cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm sitting a little high on you. I think that we need a guiding light. Right now we're running around in circles, but if you don't even wanna try, I need to know it. Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go, 'cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm sitting a little high on you. Stand a little high on you. On you. Yeah. Stand a little high on you.
We don't have to stay all night to be satisfied. There's a whole lot more to this than meets the eye. You just have to lead me on to what gets you high. Just a minute longer and we'll reach the sky. Sipping on my coffee, trying to remember what went wrong. Nothing's gonna bring me down. You don't have to stick around. We'll tangle as we touch the ground with no sound. If you could go back in time to find your way out, would you still abide to be left in doubt? Sipping on my coffee, trying to remember what went wrong. Nothing's gonna bring me down. You don't have to stick around. We're tangled as we touch the ground. This is how it ought to be. We are racing endlessly to another stunning view. What else could we turn into in time?
That is all for today's video, so make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you want to see more epic transformation like this one. Also, share this video with your family and friends, just about any and everyone, so they will know what I am doing on my channel. And as always, friends, stay safe, stay blessed, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.